next one, send your location. Please give it up where I wait. One dog got patience, don't mama feel long. For you my heart.
Devil work as I try find me thing, but man I read them up, just like adjective. No. Focus, calm and collective. Still no left me go.
The short pad bitch split. Hey, girl, you don't know man history. May we make a star show like Disney, bitch. Your trans get through.
Vice sweet like something from her. Said she want sin, mama said she want perk. Said she want transform in a something like bird. Transform. She got the glue with me.
Dog a trauma, dog. Love never been through war at all. The corner dark, a corner blast.
I'm gonna leave that up his skip. Broke enough for me that I feel no be vista. She know she get a wicked, I must see honey sister. Libby had this shit no way they party holly.
The place I print money, my food, I I guarantee my band get the rich. Yeah, much use are bump for them. Maybe not a Castellana, Buffalo.
Change enough things, press rewind, fix mistakes and take back ties. My heart's broken, it probably would have fought.
Still up here for learn me of every receipt. And when you see me, you see winner, you know see no defeat. Nothing weak, Louis V on the G, nothing cheap, the front.
Y'all make it cocky Bred, original.
And if you hear this song, then go and bend your back, go and bend your knee.
Rich, Hennessy in a me cup. No whole blacky liquor full it up. Watch out, 10 buckle pan it here, roll it up. One side. Go tell a beer drink and no side.
Main families towards them own self. So if you tell me say I am a country, you want to come find I down here. Me don't need you. I go make my own culture currency and nanny currency and black people Jamaica and Yankee currency. If we have gold here, we need you for. So I go like, I'm not afraid of nobody, man. Nobody now come dig up around here and dig up the thing. And we now get no land for me picking up and plus you want to come dig up and get I try that. Do not touch you. Don't go up on the Catholic country territory. Keep out of the Maroon territory. And the whole of Bitcoin come and the government now settle the Davis them to get Bitcoin. You can't live on a trust. Young parents, you know, them get to know when them are 20 and when them are 90, them are going in the land. Them time when they are 70, you know, back then. Cut out them slavery attitude, them colonial things there, alright? That's why they use them as singing and music now. As they make money, them get rich, them build house, the car, them every day them have to fresh up and smell good and look good enough. And that's the thing then. The next thing, some little kids knows that them parents name them on the will or the insurance. And you want to kill your parents to get the money. That's the next part I think. Go on. Yeah?
Some people are saying, King of that Beanie, for example, says he's the king of dancehall. Is dancehall an important title for you, king of dancehall, or are you broader, bigger than that? Because, yeah, what's important to you in terms of classification?
I am not broader, and I'm not bigger. I know, man. I do not see myself as a king. I more see myself as a son, as a peasant, as I rightfully am. I'm the son of a black man, and I interact with people of my nature and my culture and great other cultures and great other ethnicity all across the globe. I do not put myself on a pedestal because I'm a man who is prone to make mistakes just like any other man. You understand? But the greatest thing I have in my corner is the love I have for my God, and the greatest thing I think I have in my corner is the love where my I. So therefore, upon such a love, put great songs up on our heart and place up on our lip and give her the strength to sing them on the chorus.
Let's play some new thing, Mr. Soon. Me no gone away, no. Today I see a boy, yeah. Flex and flip. It's a golden side. No, they got stop. Stay up on the golden side. If you want to shoot me, I'm gonna make the golden side. God, I see too much, make me avoid it. That's why me there up on the golden side. If you want to what big find me, shoot me, I'm gonna make the golden. That's it right and don't change twin out. Don't change and don't sacrifice big man. Pull it! Kaboom! Selassie I celebrate to lose again. Flex us land, big up on the self. The world is mine.
the girl who went viral nearly a year ago for saying this.
What's one move in bed that makes a man go crazy every time?
Oh, you gotta give him that hot spit on that thing, you get me?
This is Haley Welch, and in summer 2024, she sent shockwaves across the internet after a clip of her giving a crazy response to a question asked by an interviewer garnered hundreds of millions of views. People online then went on to find the girl in the original video, leading them to Haley Welch's TikTok and Instagram, with her accounts gaining millions of followers overnight. Haley knew she had a massive opportunity to capitalize on her fame, so she started to take social media more seriously and built a massive following, launching her own podcast called Talk to Ah, as well as several merch lines containing her iconic catchphrase, making her millions of dollars in the process. But she would soon make a career-ending decision after this. In December 2024, Haley partnered with some shady investors and urged her fans to buy her new meme coin called Hawk. Upon its launch, it accumulated over $500 million in market value until the majority of it was sold by her